wonder what comes after rolling snakes and simple tracing? Parents often ask me, okay, my child loves plasticine, but how do we keep building their skills without repeating the same thing every day? That's what I'll show you today. The simple learning path that takes your child from early pre-writing all the way to creative, focused play. So our first step is strong hands and focus. We always start with the basics: rolling, pressing, pinching. That's what builds strength in the hands, focus in the brain, and confidence in your child. This is where a free 5-minute routine and pre-tracing worksheets fit in. Short, simple, and perfect for daily practice. Step 2, pictures and words. Once your child has those early skills, we add meaning. Instead of random lines, they're tracing a raindrop or a fish and building the word underneath. That's where my themed courses like weather, insects, Halloween, and ocean animals come in. Each one uses plasticine to connect a picture to its word, which builds vocabulary, attention, and early writing at the same time. Step number 3, imagination and creativity. After that, we take learning into creativity. For example, in the Halloween or Advent series, kids aren't just tracing lines. They're creating pumpkins, candles, or stars. Now they are telling stories using imagination and practicing patience. This stage is not only for pre-writing, it's for calming, focus, and expression. Parents often notice their child gets quieter and more focused during these sessions. And last but not the least, the ongoing path. What's powerful about this path is that it grows with your child. At first, it's about strong hands. Then it's about connecting pictures to words. And later, it's about creativity and calm. It's not just a toy. It's a full journey of learning and development, step by step. If you want to explore, I've linked all my themed Plasticine Play series below. You don't need to grab them all, just choose the one that fits your child's interest right now. Each one is designed to build skills in a fun and hands-on way. And in the next video, I will show you how to make plasticine a part of your daily routine so your child doesn't just play once in a while, but keeps building focus, creativity, and calm every single day.